Crypto community rejoice! The US Federal Reserve could be pulling back its proposed interest rate hike. Can Google be the next big thing in Web3? The Fantom Foundation is looking to make validating more accessible. The Wormhole Solana Ethereum bridge is under siege. LooksRare is still on top despite wash trading, and Cardano smart contracts are booming. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. Altcoin Buzz is a crypto investing research company, so we're here to keep your finger on the pulse of the hottest crypto news that you can use for your trades and investments. So go ahead and like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you're always up to date. Just keep in mind that this is not investment advice. So let's head to the news. Along with the crypto community, we've been keeping an eye on what the US Federal Reserve is up to with its intended interest rate hike. Well, now there's word that the Federal Reserve may scrap that plan. Initially, the rate hike was happening for what was perceived as a recovering American jobs market. But since that's not actually the case, it looks like the Feds are pulling back since unexpected adjustments, like a rate hike, could do more harm than good. And now we go back to the wait-and-see game. Anyways, Bitcoin has dropped below 37K, but not by much, and its trend is still looking stronger. And Ethereum is holding on at $2,600 to keep its uptick in full swing. Google wants to get into blockchain, and we just reported that the Google Cloud department has just launched a digital assets team last week. But now the big dog, Alphabet, also known as Google's parent company, is exploring blockchain technology. Based on a conference call with Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai, Alphabet is looking into Web3 blockchains, which could be a valuable step into the work that Google has been putting into its GPay app to be able to handle digital transactions. So what are your thoughts on this? Is Google a little late to the party, or are they showing up right on schedule? Let me know in the comments. Fantom Foundation Governance has just dropped a new proposal for validator staking. The committee is proposing a change to lower the self-staked amount required to run a validator node to either 50,000 FTM, 100,000, or 200,000 FTM tokens to be a validator on the Fantom blockchain. The current amount required to run a node is 500,000 FTM, which is equal to roughly $1.5 million. Now, the proposed amendment to self-staking would make node operation more accessible and further support decentralization. So far, just over 96% of the vote is leaning heavily towards 100,000 FTM staked, but only 13% of the community has voted, so there's still time for Fantom users to cast their vote. This has not been a good start to 2022 for Solana. Now the Layer 1 blockchain is in the middle of another hack, with its Ethereum Wormhole bridge being exploited on Wednesday night. The attacker allegedly stole roughly $300 million in wrapped Ether by tricking a series of smart contracts on Solana to digitally sign fake transactions. And now it appears that the Wormhole team could be negotiating with the hacker, as well as trying to add more Ether to the ecosystem to maintain its one-to-one basis of wrapped Ether on Solana so the network doesn't crash. So just to be clear, the Solana blockchain itself did not get hacked, only an application did. But it doesn't help Solana's cause with all the recent hacks over the last few months. So this is a very fluid situation, so stay with us for more updates. And if you're looking to diversify your Layer 1 portfolio in light of this situation, check out our latest spotlight video on Near Protocol, complete with a price prediction. Head to the link on the screen. Newly launched NFT marketplace LooksRare is still turning the industry on its head. Despite a run with wash trading that allowed users to essentially buy and sell NFTs amongst themselves to earn an inflation of rewards without actually releasing the asset. So far, 92% of $9.5 billion in trading is traced back to wash trading. But the kicker is that the other 8%, being $760 million in actual NFT sales, has blown the roof off the sales of a handful of top NFT marketplaces combined in all of 2021. So is this still a scandal, or has LooksRare risen above the wash trading and gotten off to a great success? Let me know in the comments. And lastly, Cardano is bullish on blockchain growth. After announcing a proposal to enlarge their blocks to 80 kilobytes just yesterday, the move would enhance the Plutus smart contract platform and dApp user and developer experiences. But it's looking like Cardano is moving mountains anyway. The DeFi network has just added 116 smart contracts in just 2 days, the biggest jump ever for the blockchain. And it's likely from the scalability of the Alonzo upgrade hard fork back in September, since the amount of total smart contracts has been steadily increasing since then to over 1,100. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. So how do you feel about Solana's latest troubles? And is Cardano hot or what? Let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video and want more insights for your crypto investing, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified on our latest videos. And why not share our content with your friends? You can show them what else is happening on Altcoin Buzz. Here's some videos to get started with. And as always, this is not financial advice, but we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching and see you next time.